put hands on her? She just touched you, or did she touched my back? Okay.
I cannot talk to my friend because she's probably going to be the one to bomb me out. So you don't want nobody to help me. You disconnect the call from my friend. No, because you're being a fucking asshole. You eat.
The 7th of August, 2025. Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Florida. 2 passengers denied boarding by Spirit Airlines and arrested for disorderly intoxication. 1 subject additionally charged with 2 felony counts of controlled substance possession.
So this one just came up to me behind me. She put hands on me right now, but it was completely like, I had gone to talk to your buddy over there, Taylor, and I told him that I had 2 possible happy hours that I'm probably going to deny boarding because of being loud and disruptive. She was one of them. She just came up to me from behind me, put hands on me. She's like, hey, excuse me.
When you say put hands on you, she just touched you, or did she?
She touched my back.
Okay.
She came from behind us. I'm probably not going to let him on the plane, so I'm anticipating that it's going to be an issue because they were on the phone really loud, yelling in person a few minutes ago.
Which 2 ladies?
So it's the one that just came up here and the one that was sitting in front of her. I think she must have gone to the restroom because her bag is right there. But there's 2 of them. This is one of them. That's her right there because she actually left her phone, passport, and this boarding pass. She left it at TSA. TSA supervisor brought it to us. When she got up here to talk to us, she was like all loud and, the flight's been delayed 3 hours and this is a bartender delay and all this. I'm like, I'm not going to have none of that. So I was just typing a message to operation when she came up behind me. She said, is this the right gate?
What time are they boarding?
Plane just got here, so it's going to be 10 minutes detraining, 5 minutes for cleaning, something like that. About 15, 20 minutes we'll probably start boarding. Okay. I'm anticipating not letting them on the plane and then getting really loud. So that's the reason why it's supposed to.
I think we have more deputies coming in once they get here.
Okay.
That's cool. Instead of waiting for you guys to start boarding, pretty much make
talk to
contact
them.
from the get-go.
Okay, that sounds good. I appreciate it. I'm not. Because what's going to happen is they're going to get on the plane and the flight attendants are going to call me to get them off. And that just takes longer. I'm just not going to.
Yeah, that's because they were intoxicated.
They're being really loud and obnoxious, and people actually were looking at them, recording them. Huh? Okay.
Oh, they're coming up?
Yeah, this came from Tampa. Just talk to them.
Tell them, hey, you guys can't fly, and then we'll escort them.
Wonderful world-class people. They've got our amazing
How are you? Can I see your boarding pass?
Definitely see my boarding pass right here.
I'm going to need to see the whole boarding pass.
Right here.
Okay. What's your name?
Sirana Zephyr.
I need to take a photo of that. Unless you have
A photo of what?
of the boarding pass.
Why?
Because I need to have your boarding pass.
That's fine. Whatever you need to do.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Somebody can you grab that?
No.
You haven't?
Because I don't know what's
Well,
going
I'll show
on.
you with a drink on your hand.
Are you with them?
That was fruit punch. Is there a problem? No, we're not. As you can see from my boarding pass.
So, excuse me.
What's her name?
That one. Serrano's going to be up.
So, you're denying them, right?
I know the girls that I was with. I just met these girls at the airport.
Hey, listen, what's your first name?
Serrano.
Serrano. Step over here so we can talk real quick so I can explain to you what's going on. So I can explain to you what's going on.
At this time, I'm letting you know you're in violation of the contract of carriage. And because you
What's the contract of carriage? I asked you a question.
Okay, don't get loud with me.
I asked a question. Okay, can you explain it?
This time you're being denied boarding. You're not going to be able
I'm being
to get
denied boarding. That's fine. Give me my boarding pass, and I will let them explain that to me. What? Why am I being denied boarding?
Explain you out here.
I'm asking right now.
No.
I don't want to move until I understand why I'm moving.
As of right now, it's just because they believe that you're intoxicated, so they're denying.
So they feel like I'm intoxicated. So I will call an Uber to go home. You don't want me to go to Atlanta? It's Atlanta. Don't push me. Please don't push me. I can walk on my own.
Start walking. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to walk.
I don't care about getting on this flight. I will walk myself out of the airport. You're mad because I don't want to get on the flight? Is it bigger than that? Because if it is, then just say that.
Let's go.
No.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds.
Let's go.
I'm asking to communicate. You're telling me not to communicate?
Let's walk. We can talk outside. Yeah, they're going to get a refund.
I'm going to get a refund?
Yeah.
They're gonna help you out.
Is there like a warrant out for my arrest or something? Because if that's the case, you can arrest me right I'm not worried about that. Thank you. Wait. Let me. That's what you wanted.
Now you're going to jail.
Okay. Well, you should have just said that. Why am I being stupid? Can you take my bag?
No. Now you're going to jail.
You guys are gonna let them lose my bag?
Let's go.
You're gonna let them lose my bag? Oh, so they got my bag. No, that's ridiculous. What's the problem with
Can you bring your card
communicating?
to...
It's a problem
I'll
with
do the PC. Can you bring
communicating.
your card to...
I'm right here.
It should not be a
Okay,
problem with
Oh,
communicating.
you want me to meet you at
Oh,
Yeah.
now you got to figure it out. I just want to know, are we communicating?
325.
Why are you pulling on me?
Let's go.
Please do not tug on me.
I'm not.
Can you explain to me what's going on?
Miss,
I'm listening.
gave you chances to walk out.
Uh-huh.
Told you to walk out.
Uh-huh.
You're disorderly.
Okay.
Intoxicated.
Okay. So now what?
Now you're going to jail.
Oh, okay. If that's the worst. Shit. What the fuck? Because I'm being disorderly conduct inside of an airport.
Intoxication.
Because I spoke too loud inside of an airport. Make it make sense. The flight that I paid for, the money that I spent to be at this airport, but I'm being arrested because I didn't act the way you guys wanted me to act. It's fine. Saw me buy another drink, and you never stopped it or said anything about the laws and terms and conditions. You have to hold me so tight. That's the fucking problem.
My responsibility.
Now I'm your responsibility. But I was not your responsibility when you stood there an hour before you arrested me, and you stood there and watched me buy a drink. You stood there and watched me buy another drink on top of that. Why am I being so loud? Because you were loud when you arrested me in front of all the passengers that I bought a flight to get on. Do you understand that? And that's why I'm going to jail, because I bought a ticket to get on a flight with other passengers. That's why? Make it make sense. What you just said. Make it make sense. You can't. I don't make it easy at all. I work for corporate America too. I'm a U.S. citizen. I pay taxes. I don't give a fuck about what you're talking about.
Can you start me female deputy at 325?
Please do not tug and pull on me.
Ma'am, I'm just escorting you.
You can say something out of your mouth. Right, left. I work hard. In this fucking country, I work 2 jobs. And you trying to tell me I can get on a flight because I had an extra drink? I work hard for that extra drink. The fuck is you talking about? I don't care. I don't care. Come on. Where's the truck? Let me get my bologna fucking sandwich since you want to take me to jail so bad.
Give me a second. Where's your phone?
Where's my phone? Friend, can you hear me? I cannot talk to my friend because she's probably going to be the one to bomb me out. So you don't want nobody to help me. Okay, bet. Can you let me go? I have the handcuffs on.
Yes.
But you don't want nobody to help me either. You disconnect the call from my friend.
Relax.
No, you're being a fucking asshole. You disconnected the call from me and my best friend. The only person that's going to help me. The only person that's going to help me.
Can you hold it?
From where? Where am I going? But why did you hang up my phone call? Why did you hang up my phone call? Oh, you need him to go.
No, turn around.
Why did you hang up my phone call? Why did you hang up my phone call? Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Let him touch me. Let them touch me. No, I don't want him. I don't want him to touch me. No, he's been extra pressure. I don't want him to.
You have anything on you that's gonna bump you?
No, I do not.
Okay.
I do not. I do not.
Good.
I just don't like the way he's pressuring me. And he hung up the phone on my best friend, the only person that I have that can possibly bond me out.
Do you have a bra on?
He's trying to prove a point.
Do you have a bra on?
Do it look like I have a bra?
I don't know.
I do not.
It's the phone, okay?
This is so unfortunate. I pay a ticket to fly out the airport. Now they're doing the most at the fucking airport. What is this for?
Pat down.
No. Can you be honest?
I just walked up.
Woman to woman. Be honest.
Disorderly intox.
What do you want to bring with you?
Everything, obviously. It's my important.
The bag's not going.
I need to call my daughter.
Oh,
My important.
Too late.
Too late for what?
Too late.
Too late for what?
You want to bring, listen.
Too late for what?
What do you want to bring with you?
But too late for what? You said too late. I don't know what you're saying. Why is he saying too late?
Just take that with the purse.
What is too late?
I don't know. You get a phone call when you go down to the jail.
But what are you talking about?
You get a phone call when you go down to the jail.
I'm asking about what you said about too late.
Disregard what I said.
Disregard what you said?
Is he taking?
Lee Powell?
So I'm gonna put. You're gonna bring your phone with you and your purse will go inside.
My wallet is the main important thing in my phone.
What's your wallet? This?
Right in your hand with the purse. All that goes together. You can stuff the wallet inside of the purse and it'll all fit. Thank you so much. And then my suitcase, if you don't want to take it, that's fine. And the food that I got with it, that's fine. But what I'm not going to do is allow you to treat me any way less than what the law allows. Thank you. What is my charge again?
What you said?
Officer?
I'm not arresting you. I'm transporting you.
Oh, you're transporting. Can you tell me what the charge is?
He'll tell you.
Oh, you can't tell me?
No, I can't.
Okay, fine. Can you open the door? He unlocked it. Relax.
Take it easy. Relax. Have a seat.
Your safety please do not leave baggage unattended. Unattended baggage will be removed.
You got a paper bag, bro?
Seriously. What is the policy?
You have to wear shackles when you're on your way to the jail. When you're
Because of what?
Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood
That's policy.
International Airport is
You're not giving me the full policy.
What
What is the policy?
estimated at over
Don't worry about it. Okay.
You want your seatbelt on?
Yeah, I'll put a seatbelt on.
Here, give me the seatbelt. I'll put her in. All right, we're gonna seatbelt you, okay?
So it's a seatbelt instead of shackles on the feet?
Listen.
Is that how that works?
Listen, the seatbelt's for your safety, okay? You move over a little bit.
I don't have a problem with seatbelt, but you said instead of the shackles on my wrist, I had to put shackles on my legs. Okay. You wanted me to put shackles on my legs as per protocol? I will be.
All right. Oh, Lord. Okay.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. Officers may initiate lawful contact based on reasonable articulable suspicion. A first-hand employee account of observed intoxication satisfies this constitutional threshold. 49 U.S.C. Section 44902B Federal Aviation Law. Airlines may refuse transportation on a good faith safety determination alone. No court order and no proof beyond a reasonable doubt is required. Spirit Airlines Contract of Carriage, Rule 3. Contractual terms denying boarding to intoxicated or disorderly passengers are legally binding on all ticketed passengers, whether read or not. Ignorance of contract terms does not invalidate enforcement. Florida Statute Section 856.011. Disorderly intoxication. Elements intoxicated in a public place causing a public disturbance. Second-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 60 days imprisonment and $500 fine. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Use of force standard. Force is evaluated by the standard of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. All information received prior to contact is legally relevant to this analysis. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. First Amendment protection. Verbal confrontation of law enforcement, including profanity and elevated volume, is constitutionally protected speech. Arrest based solely on verbal argument, absent physical resistance, or a true threat is not constitutionally supportable. Arizona v. Gant, 556 U.S. 3322009. Search incident to arrest. A lawful arrest authorizes a contemporaneous search of the arrestee. Evidence discovered during a valid search incident to arrest is admissible regardless of the nature of the original charge. Florida Statute Section 893. 136. A controlled substance possession. Oxycodone Schedule 2. Third-degree felony, up to 5 years imprisonment per count. Alprazolam Schedule 4. Third-degree felony, up to 5 years imprisonment per count. Illinois v. Lafayette, 462 U.S. 6 401983. Inventory search doctrine. A standardized inventory search of an arrestee at booking is constitutionally valid. Evidence discovered during a lawful inventory search is independently admissible. Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315 U.S. 5681942. Fighting words doctrine. The First Amendment does not protect statements that by their utterance tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace. Direct physical threats toward officers may satisfy this threshold, removing First Amendment protection entirely. Florida Statute Section 877.03. Disorderly conduct. Elements, loud, turbulent, or boisterous conduct in a public place that disturbs the public peace. Second-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 60 days imprisonment. Lesson airline contracts are enforceable without prior warning to the passenger. Any lawful arrest, regardless of the original charge level, authorizes a search of the person. Controlled substances discovered during that search constitute independent felony charges. Total legal exposure. Subject 1. 2 counts under Florida Statute Section 893. 136. A. Up to 10 years imprisonment. 1 count under Florida Statute Section 856.011. Up to 60 days. Bond set at $50.